Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chitarpur MP. Student, today I will teach you remaining active and passive voice. So, in previous start, I have discussed what is active voice in a sentence where subject is active and object is inactive. It is called active voice. For example, I take tea. Passive voice in a sentence where object is active and subject is inactive. It is called passive voice. Example is tea is taken by me. Structure of passive voice: O plus HV plus V3 plus other word plus preposition plus subject. Here O object, HV helping verb according to tense, V3 third form of the verb, past participle, other words, अन्य शब्द, preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with other word in a sentence. For example, by, to, in, etc. And at the last, subject. First of all, I have taken present indefinite tense and affirmative sentences and interrogative sentences I have taught. Today, I will explain interrogative sentences. See on board. Interrogative sentence. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. Question word: who is changed into by whom in passive voice, and other question word require no change. In Hindi, प्रश्न शब्द who को पैसिव वॉइस में by whom में बदल देते हैं और अन्य प्रश्न शब्दों को बदलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं रहती है. स्ट्रक्चर: क्वेश्चन वर्ड प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस प्लस object plus V3 past participle third form of the verb, other word, preposition and subject. Then question mark. Only who is changed into by whom in passive voice. So example: who teaches physics. Who teaches physics. So who will change into by whom. Who will change into question word by whom. By whom is physics. Taught. See, some nouns having s at the end: physics, civics, economics, mathematics, genetics, look like plural, but it is not plural. They are singular. That's why singular verb must be taken. Another example: does she sing a song? So this sentence we have to change into passive voice. Is a song sung by her. Another example: what does she take? What does she take? So she here called active voice. We have to change into passive voice. Question word what, then helping verb is take to taking. T-A-K-E-N. What is taken by her? What is taken by her? Fourth number, interrogative negative sentences. In passive voice, not is used after the object, but in active voice, not is used after the subject. Fourth, interrogative negative sentence. First one, question word, then helping verb is an or, then object, then noun. This point must be remembered. Plus V3 past participle, other word, preposition and subject and question mark. Does he not play cricket? Does he not play cricket? This is sentence active voice. Does he not play cricket? Passive is cricket not played by him? So here you have to see in active voice subject plus not, but in passive voice object and noun. Some rules are very important. I repeat again. Pupil, someone, anyone, anybody, etc. are not written in passive voice. यानी एक्टिव एजेंट का प्रयोग हम पैसिव वॉइस में नहीं करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, pupil celebrate Diwali in India. In passive voice, Diwali is celebrated in India. Second rule, proper preposition must be used. Example, he knows me. I am known to him. Here two preposition will come. If a sentence has two objects, then there will be two passive voice. यदि किसी सेंटेंस के दो ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो उसके दो पैसिव वॉइस होंगे. एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर दुबे टीचेस अस इंग्लिश. So here two objects, us and English. We are taught English by Mr. Dubey. English is taught us by Mr. Dubey. If there is phrase like look after, take care of, so we should not disturb phrase because phrase is a combination of words and proper preposition must be used. He looks after me. I am looked after by him. And subject, object, subjective case, objective case, possessive case and reflexive pronoun I have told you in previous chapters. So here most of time you have to need subjective and objective case. So here see subjective case in Hindi karta karak and objective case karma karak. objective case. I का object, me, we, us. First person pronoun. Second, you. He, third person pronoun. Singular subject, he, she, it. He him. She, her. It, and them. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thanks.